Start out small, just give us time. We in the soil, just trying to get our show. And then we grow, yeah.
What? What up? Yeah. We out here once again with another HurriCrypto video. Yeah. So, why am I out here smiling even though it's a bear market? That's exactly what we're about to get into. I'm about to tell y'all exactly what's going on in this bear market, both spiritually and logically. So we're going to start with logically first. So we look at the crypto markets and we're like, dang, bro, everything is blood red. What is happening? What is going on? So number one, there is mass fear in the world right now. And that actually ties in to the spiritual perspective. We're seeing the stock market go down. We're seeing all type of asset classes go down because everyone is afraid and everyone is worried about inflation, and everyone is like, oh no, they're going to raise the interest rates. So I got to make sure, I got to hold on tight to my cash. Oh, I'm scared. And that's essentially what's happening. So people are liquidating their assets, and that includes crypto. You feel me? And that's part of the reason why the whole crypto market is down. But then we can bring up the incidences that just occurred over these last few weeks. And that's one with Terra Luna and one with Celsius. So these two platforms were supposed to be, decentralized havens, for passive income. You feel me? But what happened was they started becoming not so decentralized, as in manipulating things. In the case of Celsius, they started actually locking up people's funds. They were like, yo, you cannot withdraw your funds, because the way Celsius works is they basically give money to people who stake on their platform, or people who stake certain cryptocurrencies on their platform. And how they're able to attain this revenue that they're paying out to people is by doing all types of DeFi, all type of even leveraged, trades and leveraged, leveraged positions on investments. What leveraging is basically using money that you don't have to invest. You know what I'm saying? Essentially borrowing money to invest more than you actually have, which can get very dangerous if you think about it, especially in the current state of the market when everything is going down. So all those leveraged positions start getting liquidated. All those leveraged positions are not as profitable, etc., etc. So Celsius might not even have enough money to pay out its clients. And this is causing mass fear in the market, in the crypto markets in particular. People are like, yo, I can't trust this stuff. I can't trust the crypto. But this is where they're messing up. This is where everybody's messing up. Everyone is just being afraid of crypto because of the human error. Now, there's this layer to crypto. There's the underlying technology, what it actually is, what it actually does, what it actually provides to the world. And then on top of that is how humans utilize that. And this is where we find most of the error in this current bear market. It's just humans utilizing it and messing up like humans do. You know what I mean? So what's really happening is people are seeing the human error as an error or flaw in the underlying technology, when there is no flaw in the underlying technology, or at least no extremely flagrant flaw to justify the market conditions. As in, crypto is a very, 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 very viable investment because of what it does for the world, because of the value that it inherently holds within itself. So there's two camps of people in this bear market. There are those who understand that the underlying technology is still there and nothing is wrong with the underlying technology. And they're like, oh, this is a beautiful time to buy. Let me stack up my crypto, including me. I'm definitely thinking of ways to accumulate crypto, and I'm about to get into some ways you can accumulate crypto even if you have no money. You feel me? Even if you have no money right now. And I can tell you how to get a big bag of crypto in this bear market, in current market conditions. But we'll get to that later. But for now, just understand that if someone wants to buy crypto now, there's pretty much only upside. That's the problem with most people. Most people that are in fear right now, most people that are liquidating all their assets right now, were the people that bought at the top, or the people that bought during these massive bull run, upticks where they're like, oh my gosh. And if you think about it, there is way more to lose. There's way more to lose during that. If you're on the up end of the hill, it's more likely that you're near the top. You know what I mean? But if you're at the bottom, there's like so much room for growth, which is where money is made. You feel me? Money is made in the room for growth, not when you're near the top. You feel me? And most people out here bought crypto or bought assets or whatever near the top. So now they're shaking in their Quake boots, like, oh my gosh, I'm scared. All my money is going down. Duh, dog, because you bought at the top. You feel me? But now, when we got the juiciest, most succulent opportunity to just bite into some crypto, dog, folks is afraid. Folks don't want to get nothing, yo. Folks are staying 10 feet away. But you, the smart guy that's watching this video, or smart girl, I know there's some of y'all out there that's watching this video. You're like, oh, y'all scared? Let me get some crypto. Let me get some. You feel me? And like, those are the people that's going to end up experiencing the most of when this stuff climbs back up, because the inherent value of crypto is still alive. The inherent value of the technology is still there. You feel me? This is not financial advice, of course, but I'm just giving you perspective. I'm just giving you something to think about. You feel me? There's so much potential upside here, because when crypto comes back, everybody who got now is going to be feeling good. You feel me? That's all I'm saying. And now to the spiritual, or actually, let me tell y'all this first. How to actually accumulate crypto when you have no money. Like right now, you're like, dang, that sounds great, Hurricane. Like, I would love, to accumulate some crypto, but I don't have any capital. I don't have any cash on me. There's a multitude of ways to start accumulating crypto. One is to have a job, you know what I mean, in the crypto sector that pays out in crypto. And that's, you could be a developer, community manager, all type of stuff. Just go on Twitter, talk about your skills in Twitter spaces or on Twitter or whatever. And I'm telling you, it's ways to find jobs. But even more prevalent, ways that you can, get that crypto capital even faster is by selling NFTs, dog. Especially if you're an artist. Us artists out here, we not even worried, bro. Like, I've seen artists in this current bear market still making sales. We still moving relatively normally. You know what I mean? Like, it's just a lot of artists are afraid to drop, but everyone that does drop is doing pretty well, because we built our foundation on something deeper than just up and down curves or floor prices. It's about the connection from the people who want to buy the NFTs to the artists. Like me personally, I can sell NFTs pretty much anytime I want, and I'm about to come up with my greatest NFT drops ever for hurricane season. So follow me on Twitter, first link in the description, if you're trying to stay up to date and in tune with that. But yeah, that's what's going on in the background. So yeah, us artists, we're not worried about anything. Or people that have a brand, or musicians. Those people, I'm telling you, if you just create an NFT project or something that's meaningful to you and to others, you'll be able to sell NFTs and accumulate crypto at this time where it's very cheap. You know what I mean? You can onboard some of your friends, etc., and you're going to be accumulating this crypto when it's very cheap. If you want to know exactly step by step, like if you know nothing about crypto, or even if you know a little bit, but if you want to actually know how to sell NFTs step by step, like broken down autistically, like, you know what I'm saying, structured, just peep the link in the description, how to sell NFTs. I created a whole course to take anybody that doesn't know anything about crypto to actually selling, a method of actually selling your own NFTs that you can use on rinse and repeat, and etc. It's the perfect time, yo. So yeah, check that link in the description. You don't want to miss out on that. And then, yeah, that's pretty much all it is. Accumulate crypto. That's really the message right now. Like, this is one of the best times ever to accumulate crypto and, get in the green. You feel me? So now the spiritual component of this. The world is in a vibration of scarcity right now. That's why we see this massive bear market, quote unquote bear market, that's going on. Whenever you see the word bear market, just think the majority of the world is in a vibration of scarcity. What does that mean? When you, any individual or any entity, is in an energy of scarcity. They manifest scarcity in their life. Now, when you have this done on a mass scale, as in on a mass scale of all these people all over the world, all feeling fear at the same time, fear of the markets, then we have this huge dip, and it manifests into all of our collective reality. You feel me? Rather than in times of the bull run, when everybody's in a vibration of abundance, it manifests as all this abundance that's in the world. But if you think about it, the same amount of resources are essentially available in both cases. It's all about vibration and energy and how we as humans are perceiving our environment. And this has a major thing to do with the media. The media is spreading so much fear right now. Why? You got to be like, why is the media spreading so much fear? They want the masses to be afraid. They want the masses to be afraid of crypto, to be afraid of, investing, and afraid of assets, so they can sell it for cheap to the people at the top who are manipulating the media. I had to tell you, bruh. I had to tell you. You feel me? Like, this world is not what it seems to the naked eye. Not everybody's out for your best good. You feel me? A lot of these, billionaire, trillionaire folks in the background, in the shadows, that run the media, that run all these sources, do everything to their best interest. When they got the whole world in fear, they fear them up, and then hype them up just so that they can buy up everybody's assets while they're low price. And then, boom, when the spike comes, they just sell everything to everybody once again. The same shit, you know what I'm saying? To make tons of billions of dollars, millions, trillions of dollars, just off people's psychology, just off people's energy and vibration. We're smarter than that, though. That's why we're here on HurriCrypto channel, and we getting that spiritual knowledge as well as that logical knowledge, and we gonna make the best decision with that knowledge that I gave you at hand. I hope you all receive value from this video. If you love what I'm doing out here, peep the description to support in a myriad of ways. I got crypto wallets, I got courses, I got one-on-one coaching, I got all this stuff, yo. So if you resonate with the message, I got Twitter, just say what's up. That's cool too, bro. Whatever, dog. Like, let's stick together, let's keep building, let's keep climbing, let's keep growing. Bear market, schmear market, we staying up forever. God bless the squad, God bless the HurriCrypto crew. Wave squad. Deuce! Yeah.